How would you describe your typical sound to someone who has never heard your work?
I'm different, dog. I don't try to sound like nobody, bro. I just be me. Real talk. I got people I look up to. Like I fuck with Future, you know what I'm saying? Old school niggas. I fuck with Michael Jackson, people like that. But when it comes to my music, it's whatever mood I'm in at the time. You know what I'm talking about? So I
Right.
got a million voices in my head. So whichever one of them bitches come out, that's what they gonna get. You know what I'm talking about?